Welcome to Bank2Budget demonstration of download and SIP. Please feel free to use your video pause button and you can follow along with your own installation on the navigation screens that I'll show you. First, confirm your bank is eligible within Bank2Budget. Bank's currently available. Find your bank down here and ensure by clicking the link that your bank is your bank. Bank2Budget will be eligible for your download and use. This column offers free full versions. If you bank at one of these banks here, please contact these folks up here in support and they will provide you what is needed to become a beta tester. If you don't see your bank at all, please follow the same steps and contact this support folks. It's easy to add your bank and they can work with you to get you set up within a week. Confirming your bank, you would like to go to download. The first link here is full version purchase. Most people do try the trial version, so we will demonstrate that. If you want to purchase a full version, you will come to this link right here and that'll take you to a secure portal. Click the drop down. Let's demo Bank of America download and please watch the navigations. This is a zip file. Extract all files. Change your location to utility, my app. The utility is right to the left of the one button on your keyboard. Extract. Now, save the files onto a new folder you've created. My app. You want to make sure that it looks like this. Here, we'd like for you to take the shortcut file, which is noticed by having the arrow over the image on. Click once and hold down. Drag this over your button, bottom left. Drag it up to the top, then release. You can close your windows. And at this point, you have your Bank2Budget installed. Now you need to configure your access. The access versions from Microsoft, there's various different steps. If you have an older version, let's go over that. The older version that is an easy setup, I'll be scrolling to that. If you have a Microsoft Access 2000, please open up your application as I'm about ready to demonstrate. Top of your toolbar, click Tools, Options. The form that opens up, click the Edit/Find tab and ensure that your Action Queries is unchecked. Say OK out of this and stop and restart your application, your Access application, and you should be good to go. Now is a demonstration of the Microsoft Access 2007, which has various security controls in place, and you'll need to one-time set up your application so it's trusted. Open up your Bank2Budget. You'll see a various security warning that says this Bank2Budget is trying to open up, and you'll say OK, open. Another security notice warning that you need to trust this. If you don't want to see this again, you'll want to say open. Okay. your application opens up. It's Bank of America. You want to make sure that that's your bank, and you'll also take note of the file that works with Bank of America. You'll need to be downloading your file exactly as this file name is. Let's go up and trust the application. Top left is your Office button, Access Options, Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, Trusted Locations, and at this time my configuration does not have any trusted locations. Yours might, but you need to add the app. So Add New Locations button, Browse back down to the C drive, find My App, click it once and say OK. Also important, you'll want to check the subfolders as well. Say OK and OK. Now at this point, choose Current Database, and down here where it's Navigation, uncheck the Display Navigation pane. You get a prompt to close and reopen. Use your shortcut again. You can, since your shortcut is known, you may want to uncheck this here so you don't have this prompt every time you open up. And there's your application. You can tell it's a 90-day trial. As you use the application and interface days, you will see how many more, you will see how many days you have loaded, so you'll know about what your trial version is going to expire. Next, you'll notice that you have options of naming your application. You also have options of creating categories, etc. This will be displayed in the next video showing your first time setup. Welcome to Bank2Budget. We appreciate your interest.